I never felt comfortable with this cat.
Ah, I'm going to mention one man. One man. One man. And I don't know where I have to bring him up, but I have to. This man is named Michael Jackson. Michael sent for me. I went to see him. The boy was in a stupor. He was in a stupor. What you want me to do? Because, you know, I am the herbalist. I'm the voodoo doctor. I'm not nobody. He have seen all the millionaire doctors that he paid millions to. I'm the herbalist. Who am I? I say, what you want me to do for this man? We want you to bring his energy back and heal his disease. He's nervous and all that. Well, I'll do that. 2 months later, we're in Hawaii. Michael come in our bedroom, my wife and I making love, and this boy come in there while we making love to tell us how good he feel. And guess what he said? I didn't know you could make love, Dr. Sebi. I said, but I'm on the 70. What you expect? So that's 8 years ago, right? Ain't no big thing, but to some it is. To some it is.
Herbalist, voodoo doctor. Heard it for yourself. Bible say have nothing to do with the unfruitful works of darkness, but rather expose them. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I always had an uneasy feeling about him. I know many people take up on this regimen as far as healing ailments and things like that. But it was him, the person, the man, that didn't sit well with me. It was something that stirred me on the inside every time I would even try to bring up his name or say something about him. It's like I knew something was behind the scenes. I didn't know exactly what. But you heard it for yourself, man. He said the herbalist, the voodoo doctor. All I'm going to say is this, man. Be careful. Watch and pray so that you do not fall into temptation. The spirit is willing. The flesh is weak. Wheelhouse. Peace.